guys, my name is Falak and you are watching World with Falak. Friends, today I am going to share with you some very important techniques that really help you to land amazing traffic on any website. So I challenge you to follow the techniques and see the improvements. But guys, make sure you watch this video until end because I will also share the proven outreach template that will really work for you and you can use it for yourself. As you know, backlinks are directed towards your website, so if you use high quality backlinks, then Google will give more credit to websites that have a high quality as well as relevant backlinks. In this video, I will share how to drive free traffic to your new website. Guys, make sure to click on subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from World with Falak. So let's start on how to drive free traffic to your new website. I'm going to share two methods that you need to do if you want to drive traffic to your new website. Well, the first method that you need to consider is to increase your site domain authority without getting any new backlinks. And the second technique is to build high quality backlinks, and it's really super effective. Now the question is how to grow site domain authority. Here I want to tell you some of the steps which are really helpful in increasing site domain authority. So the first step I have for you is to fix redirect chains, and the second step you need to do is to change 302 to 301, and the third one is to reclaim lost links by fixing 404 errors. You may heard about the term redirect chains but not sure about what exactly it is. It is simply defined as a link on a page A that redirects you to another page B, and that page B redirects you to another page C, and so on. You can say that it is a series of redirects from one URL to another. But if you use too many redirects, it makes our web page loading speed slow, and you know very well that people and search engine doesn't like it, and page loading speed is also considered the most important ranking factor. If you are still confused in understanding the concept of redirect chain, then consider this diagram. As you can see in this diagram, page 1 redirect to page 2 and page 2 is redirect to page 3. But the issue is that page 1 and page 3 are not redirected to each other directly, and page 2 is act as a buffer between page 1 and page 3. Due to this technical issue, the potential authority of page 3 is dropping. Now the question is how to fix this redirect chain. So guys, to resolve this technical issue, we need a 301 redirect between page 1 and page 3, and by fixing this problem, page 3 will also get the authority and link equity. How to find redirect chains? You just need to download Scheming Frog SEO Spider tool. After downloading, open the Scheming Frog SEO Spider tool. Enter your website URL as I enter, and click on Start button for analysis. After that, click on Report from above, and then select Redirect and Canonical Chain. So this is how you can download and see the report of redirect chains of your website. The second step to grow your site authority is to fix all 302 redirects. We are in 2020 and even in 2020 many website owners are confused between the difference of 301 and 302 redirect and unclear about which one is better for ranking factor. So you should clear about this. Now the question is, what is 301 redirect? What is 301 redirect? A 301 is a permanent redirect that tells search engine that a web page or URL is moved permanently, and according to ranking factor and SEO perspective, 301 redirects are best to use. Now the question is, what is 302 redirects and why we should avoid these kind of redirects? A 302 redirect tells search engine that a website is moved temporarily. And many website owners use 302 redirect when they want to send user to a new website or any other page for a short duration of time due to any issue such as due to expiration of domain or when they are updating their website. However, it is important to note, if you use 302 redirect for long duration or if you forget to change the 302 redirect to 301, then it might hurt your SEO efforts and may cause a sudden down in rankings. How to find 302 redirects in your website? Again open Scheming Frog SEO Spider tool. Enter your site URL as I entered in previous. Click on Response tab, click Filter and choose Redirection option. So this is how you can find the list of all 301 and 302 redirects in your website. Now the third step to grow your site domain authority is to reclaim lost links by fixing 404 errors. Guys, you can use Screaming Frog, SEO Spider or Google Search Console to find 404 errors. Let's see how to find 404 error by using Google Console. Just open Google Search Console, go to Coverage, click on Crawl Errors and select Not Found. Now this is the way you can find the 404 errors of your website. Let's see how to find 404 errors using Screaming Frog SEO Spider. Again open Screaming Frog tool, enter your site URL, click on Response Code and then click Filter. After that, select Client Error 404. Here you can see the list of all 404 errors in your website. So this is how you can easily find all 404 errors in your website using Screaming Frog SEO Spider. Guys, the second and free method to drive free traffic to your new website is to build high quality backlinks. Let's see how to build high quality backlinks. The first step is to use evergreen content. The second step is to use reverse silo architecture. The third step is to get free traffic from Facebook group. The fourth step is to get free traffic from Quora website. The fifth one is to use Medium website and drive free traffic. The sixth one is to get free traffic from YouTube. And the last one is using guest posting. Friends, getting free website traffic and increasing a site domain authority is not an easy task. No doubt, Google search engine and other search engines are the great sources for the free traffic, but SEO takes time. Well, if you want to acquire free website traffic, then there are some white hat legal techniques that I am going to share with you. There are many free resources through which you can acquire free traffic, such as you can use evergreen content. You might hear about evergreen content, and it is the best way to establish your site authority in a particular subject. And evergreen content is the best way to attract new visitors to your website. It not only helps to keep your site fresh but also increase your site rankings in Google. You can write on any current affair or trendy news. It leads to a sudden boost in our traffic. The second step that you need to consider is to use reverse silo architecture. When it comes to build high quality backlinks, then you must consider a reverse silo architecture instead of trying to get backlinks from a non-linkable pages such as category or product pages. You may get backlinks from content-rich pages. You can create blog posts or general info pages. In this way, you can acquire backlinks from rich content. It is the more effective way to acquire backlinks from our valuable pages. One of the biggest sources of getting high quality free website traffic is Facebook groups. As you all know, Facebook groups are not new and they have been existing for years. But recently you may notice that Facebook app has a dedicated tab for Facebook groups because Facebook is pushing groups very hard. In other words, Facebook groups have never been so active ever before. It means by using Facebook groups you can drive more targeted traffic to your website. Facebook has over 1.45 billion daily active users. That's why it's an amazing platform where you can get targeted leads. You just need to join relevant Facebook groups, and in this way you can easily hit your target audience. Moreover, in the video description I will also share some links of Facebook groups that you can join. The first step to get free traffic is to use Quora website. Quora is an easy and free of cost, high quality link building and traffic source. No doubt Quora is one of the biggest question answer site right now. It is a site where users come and post their question and the community answers those questions. According to Alexa Traffic Stats, it is one of the top 250 sites all over the world. While searching query on Google, many times you may notice that the Quora site is in top 10 results, and in this way Quora gets free website traffic from Google itself. It means you can also utilize this free traffic platform. Now let's see how to drive free traffic from Quora. Just open website of Quora. Then you just need to create your account, complete your profile info, and answer the queries that are relevant to your field or related to your product. While answering the query, you may smartly add the link of your web page. So this is how you can utilize this free platform for traffic as well as for the quality backlinks. The first step to get free traffic is to use YouTube. You may know that for improving brand awareness, video marketing will be the future. And after Google, YouTube is the second most leading platform that is free of cost. You just need to post your video. It will help in driving the targeted traffic to your website. As you know, many users use YouTube to find their search. In this way, it is the best to create keywords targeting video and optimize video for the targeted keywords. Moreover, if you add your site link in the description of your video, it will also help in growing your site authority. Guys, if you don't know how to create video, then you don't need to take worry, as there are available many free online sources for which you can easily learn and to create your video. And the good news is that many people find YouTube marketing very tough, so it's the best opportunity for you because the competition is very low. Guys, the fifth step to get free traffic is to utilize Medium platform. When you are a startup or just launch a new website, it is not an easy task to drive traffic to your new website in an effective way. But if you know some smarter techniques, then it might become possible for you to drive traffic. You might hear about Medium.com. Medium is a free blogging platform to publish blogs and articles. Medium has been categorized as an online magazine and blogging platform that is launched in 2012. Furthermore, the market share of Medium is also significantly grown over the year. Many companies use Medium to drive traffic. Now the question is how to drive traffic by using Medium to your website. So guys, it is not a hard task. Just take a deep breath. Create your account on Medium.com. Write a mini blog that is relevant to your blog and smartly add your hyperlink. Today, Medium is considered one of the hottest content platforms, so make sure the content must be high quality to its reader. In this way, you will not only get a high quality backlink but also an ethical way to drive traffic to your website. When it comes to get a sudden boost in traffic, guest posting is one of the best way to choose. There are a number of advantages of guest posting. That's why a lot of people are investing their time in writing guest posts. The major advantage of guest post is that it helps in growing your site domain authority as well as also drive traffic. Now you may think about how to do guest posting. So the first step is to click all the websites that are relevant to your website category and enter them in an Excel sheet. There are some techniques through which you can find your relevant sites. I will also share the techniques in the video description. Choose one by one, such as I choose this and press enter. Now you can see it shows us many relevant sites. Open them in a new tab. Make sure to check their domain authority and traffic as well as the spam score. For this purpose, you can use Moz extension. If the site is relevant to your niche, then read carefully their guidelines, follow their guidelines and collect their Gmail address. Now your goal is to create a Google Sheet, add columns like these as I add. It will help you in an effective outreach campaign. Your step 2 is to create a template for outreach, as you can see like this. Your step 3 is to outreach all the emails that you have collected. Just modify this template and send them to all emails one by one. Your step 4 is to wait for their responses and follow their suggestions. So guys, as I promised you in the start of video to share a proven outreach template, so here you go. I will also share the link of this template in video description, you can download it. Lastly, I just want to say SEO is not always hard, you just need to learn some technical skills. I link this complete tutorial in the video description, so you can check this, and if you have any question, leave in the comment below. If you like this video, make sure to like and share with friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.